my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to enable or disable built-in administrator account on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to enable or disable your administrator account in your Windows 10 or 11, then I will show you how to do this. Guys, I will show you in a different method. You can enable or disable with a command prompt. For that you need to click on start menu, then type here cmd, just right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Guys, after that you just need to copy paste the command what I will provide in my video description link. Just copy paste these commands from there. If you want to enable this, you need to copy the first command, net user administrator active :yes. Just copy this and paste it here. Just right click, edit and paste and hit enter. You can see the command completed successfully, means your administrator account has been enabled. After that, if you want to disable your administrator account, then copy the second command, net user administrator active :no. Just select, copy and paste it here. Right click, edit and paste and hit enter. You can see the command completed successfully, means the administrator account has been disabled. That's it guys. So in this way you can enable or disable built-in administrator account in your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.